My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. Hey, man, before I get started, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And if you can tell by the title, if you haven't read it by the time you click on this video, 2024 V6. But if you haven't read the title by now, as y'all can see, I'm gonna be trying to, keyword trying, to launch, you know what I'm saying, at every stop in traffic, you know what I'm saying? My goal is to really get, you know what I'm saying, to be the first person at the light, but if I'm not like I am right now, I'll just, you know what? The first one could be straight. I gotta merge on this one, but I'm gonna be the only one right here, so we're gonna see what to it. Some of them I might launch it, you know what I'm saying, like hold the RPMs, or some of them I may just go because you can't do it for so long. But yeah, man, I'm trying to do something different, man. On the road, the 15K, get your boy the 15K the quick way, man. Hey, we trying to get right. You feel me? I'm trying to entertain y'all and come up with new little vibes and trends and whatever you want to call it, man. So hey, our boys just rock with me. You feel me? But get your boy the 15K, man. And hey, man, we are less than 50 people away. Less than 50 people away from 12K, bro. So y'all boy, get your boy right, man. Y'all boy, get your boy right, man. First one. We'll see what they're talking about. That was on slight. I barely put my... Bro, these cars spin so easy, bro. I ain't even hit it when I let go of the brake, bro. I just kept my foot the same, bro. That's crazy. I heard that mug get a little, you know what I'm saying? Slight little wheel spin. But in the meantime, between time, while I can't give y'all no lunches, I know I'm gonna let y'all hear Olivia talk, you feel me? Man, get out of the way, man. What you gonna do? Move. Ah, damn. Hope he blowing me with that, man. Hope he blowing me with that, bro. Man, why are you taking up 2 lanes, bro? Folks be so retarded. Where are you from? Tennessee? And they say Shelby County? The hell is a Shelby County? What's going on, man? With that ugly ass tab, man. They got a navy blue tab with white letters on it. Man, my bad, car crew. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be attempting to launch. As you can see, I gotta figure out my word to title. I said word to title. Title the video. I kind of wrote it down, but I'm gonna still see which one looks the best, grabs the most attention. But it's launching at every stop in traffic. I will go say light, but I'm just gonna, I don't know, we're gonna see. Y'all don't know by the time y'all see this video, man. But it's a nice day outside, as y'all can see, man. Real nice and lovely. You know what I'm saying? This nice weekend. So, yeah. Nice little lovely day, man. But we less than 50 people away, man, from... We less than 50 people away, dog. Like, it's crazy. We on the road to 12K. At the 12K, man, we're trying to get to that 15K. Then we get that 15K, we at that 20K, then we at that 20. You know what I'm saying? Going about 5, 25, 30, 35, 40. 45, 50. Oh, that man. Stick 'em. Olivia just sounds so powerful. Oh, hurry. Don't turn green yet. Damn. All right, we're gonna still do a little roll. What's up? They give y'all some nice little entertainment, man. You know what I mean? It's so lovely outside. About these trees, what it? That's what's going on, man. It's a nice day though. It feel good outside. It ain't being hot for real, like blazing hot no more, man. Like, this is my season. This is my season. It's a new day. Y'all don't know about that. I don't know about that gospel music, man. I'm going to a different side of town. I don't really ride on like that. Go here by the hood a little bit. Go here by the hood, man. Scare some folks sitting on the porch. But yeah, y'all comment down below and rate Olivia 1 through 10 on how she sound, man. Don't be hating. You know what I'm saying? I take criticism, but you know some of y'all be trolling. And I know the camera don't do no justice. Roll the window down just a little bit more. It's just so powerful though, like. Now y'all hear them pops. Stick 'em. Boy, that 5500 shift, bro. Look at that nigga in the road right there. That nigga trying that bitch didn't know that bitch. That nigga said, okay, but none of that you talking about. I can't launch at this light, bro. That's why I said try, you know what I'm saying? Depending on how the video do, I'll do a part 2. You know, actually, you know what I'm saying? And go somewhere where there's a lot of traffic lights and I can just, you know, find a way. Or make clips on it. But, we're gonna see, car crew, man. But hey, man, I just want to say, man, I appreciate everybody that been watching me this far. I always appreciate y'all, bro. Like, we slowly growing, man. We growing slowly, man. We getting better. We getting there. You know what I'm saying? We almost at 12K, bro. We less than 50 subscribers away from 12K, bro. I just looked this morning. You know what I'm saying? I just hit 11.9 a couple days ago. You know what I'm saying? So y'all, boy, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for sharing and watching and, you know what I'm saying? Getting your boy right, man. Appreciate y'all, man, for real. Appreciate y'all for real though, man. No cap. Hey, man, I gotta find some. I'm just gonna do it at the stop sign. I'm gonna do it at stops or traffic light. I want to do it at traffic light, but we'll do it at stop signs too. I want to go through a neighborhood purposely. They got a lot of stop signs just to do that, but the stop signs are like every block. And then I'll be just hitting the gas and then getting off of it, hitting the gas and then getting off of it, like repetitively. But yeah, I gotta give y'all at least one more though. But yeah, man, like I was saying, I got a little sidetrack. I appreciate y'all, man, for real though, man. Like, all jokes aside, bro. I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all keep turning your boy up, man. Keep turning your boy up, man. Get your boy right, man. Get your boy right. Just a little bit. Just a little something. Good Lord. My Lord. Goodness. I ain't gonna lie. Boy, if you want your scat, get a scat, man. Sponsor me, dog. Get you a scat, man. I'm telling you. There ain't nothing wrong with it, man. Okay, everybody want a nitbit thing. I want a cat, but I got a scat. And I'm telling y'all to get a scat. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it, but hey, I can't get too comfortable, you feel me? I don't work my way up, you know what I'm saying? RT, scat, time for that cat. That bitch default in front of me, probably like, well, who is this? And what's wrong with this nigga? Nothing, man, I'm just working, man. I'm working. Y'all draw riding, I'm working, you know what I'm saying? It feel like I'm draw riding, but I ain't. Ooh, we finna go up under these trees. Yes, sir. Turn the air off. I forgot I still had it on. Boy, it stank over there, bitch. Good Lord. Well, yeah, man, I keep getting sidetracked, but appreciate y'all, like I was saying. Appreciate all y'all, man, for supporting your boy, you know what I'm saying? Getting your boy the way he at today, man. We finna hit 12K, man. It's crazy, because I used to dream about times like this for real. Manifesting and saying, like, man, I'm just trying to hit 10K, 8K, you feel me? Now I'm past 10K, on the way to 12K, you know what I'm saying? And then, when I hit that 15K, that gonna blow my mind, then. 20K really gonna blow my mind, because it's like, nigga, we at 20K, folks, like they getting real. It getting real now, but it really getting real when I get to that point, man. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get up there with the big dog, man. I'm waiting my turn, though. You know, I ain't, you know what I'm saying, trying to race nobody. I'm racing myself, you know what I'm saying? Because time ain't waiting on me. You feel me? So, yeah. But, nevertheless, man, I try to get y'all a few little lunches, but I done ended up driving down a road that's just look pretty fun to me, though. But I'm still gonna title it, you know what I'm saying, lunching every stop. I did lunch every stop that I could while I was able to do it. So, you know what I'm saying, don't get on my head too bad. I'm probably gonna turn around right here, though. What road this is? Oh, this what this lead to. Excuse me, y'all, my bad. It's a little allergy out here. Gonna turn them up around, though. I like this road. That's why I know to turn around, too. Oh, we can get a little lunch right here, then. Let's get right. Let's end it off right here. Let's end it off right here, car crew. A little manual lunch right quick. And that's still not Florida, I promise. I promise I'm not Florida, bro. At all. I just know how to hold my foot at like a little 90-degree angle. You know what I'm saying? Hold that mud just enough. I ain't really trying to go crazy anyway. Unless I'm finna get on the Mustang ass or something like that. But other than that, I ain't trying to go crazy for real. But yeah, man, that's the last little, you know what I'm saying, little lunch right there. I'm gonna give y'all a nice little 40 roll. And we in the street, by the way. Stick 'em. Alright, I'm done playing. But yeah, man, like I said before, man, I appreciate all y'all for, you know what I'm saying, tuning in, getting your boy right, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a true blessing. It's a true blessing for sure. You know what I'm saying? I never take it for granted. It's a blessing. You know what I'm saying? I thank God for all y'all that came across my channel, man. And I pray and manifest for many, 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 many more. You know what I'm saying? Many, many more. So y'all just, you know what I'm saying? Keep doing what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. Like the video, man. Share the video to at least one person. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below how you feel about the video, or what you like, or what was funny, what you want to see next, or just tapping in. Let me know that you watched the video, man. I read all the comments, bro. You know what I'm saying? I read all the comments. I just don't reply to all of them, depending on what you say, but I read all of them. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But with that being said, man, that gonna be a wrap for today's video. Like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari crew. But yeah, man, I had to get out of my system. But like I was saying, man, yeah, chase your dream, man. You know what I'm saying? The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari crew. Just keep being consistent, no matter how the process looking, bro. Keep being consistent. You know what I'm saying? Don't be giving up. You feel me? Don't give up so easily. You know what I'm saying? None of that, bro. Just keep working. Keep working, man. You're gonna get there. Take me for example. I'm like one of the YouTubers that don't just get that YouTube blessing right off the bat. Like how people just start YouTube like, man, let me just try something. It was waiting on them and they just blow up. You know what I'm saying? 80K subscribers in 3 months. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. But I've been doing this for years, bro. And I'm just not getting somewhere where I can be like, okay, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm really trying to put that motivation in. After 2-3 years later, you know what I'm saying? So like, and I was consistent then. So like, you know, it's just, everybody's time is different. Your book is written at a different time. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just keep that faith, man. Faith is the main key. Faith is the main key, bro. I'm telling you, faith is the main key. But nevertheless, man, like I also said out in my video, for my religious folks, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Keep that faith, man. Keep that hope. Pray and ask for guidance. Why are people standing in the street? I don't understand. Like, get out the way. There's 3 of y'all, 2 of y'all got a ball head, almost. But yeah, man. Keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Everything that you do. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay blessed, stay prayed up, man. Stay safe in these streets. You know what I'm saying? Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. We less than 50 people away from 12K. By the time the video dropping, probably a day or 2 later, we should be at 12K, hopefully. If y'all do, you know what I'm saying? Y'all due diligence. But yeah, man. Like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.